This is my first time visiting Steinman Run and Trout Run Preserve, so I'm anxious to see what all is out here. There's a few hiking trails and also lots of wildlife. There's a few streams, so maybe we'll see some reptiles or amphibians. You can hear a lot of birds singing in the background. The sun's just coming up, so I'm gonna check it out. So I just saw my first herp of the morning. It's some kind of toad or frog. Not really sure. I will have to key it out and figure out what kind it was, but that was a nice surprise first thing. So hopefully we'll find some snakes and other frogs or toads, and keep my fingers crossed. This section isn't as identifiable where the trail is, but I do see some areas where there have been people walking, so I'm gonna go ahead. And also I do see the blue blaze on the tree, so that is very helpful in this kind of terrain. Fascinating how this tree has grown around this stone wall. Part of the tree is broken off during a recent storm. It's right here covering the trail, but it's easy to step over. The trail splits off right here, and to the right will take us down to the creek. To the left continues the blue trail, so I'm going to go down to the right and check out the creek. So the trail just took me on a large loop, and I'm back to the creek. Where I had come down to check out on another part of the trail earlier. So we're going to be crossing, I'm going to be crossing, that is, along these rocks. Now that I made it across the little creek, I'm going to be backtracking a part of the trail back to the parking area. Many sections of this trail have a very steep incline or decline, depending on which way you're going. So hiking boots are definitely recommended. You have to look closely sometimes on the forest floor. These are Indian pipes or ghost pipes, and you can check out the video link at the end to learn more about them. So some final thoughts on Steinman's Run Preserve. Definitely want to come back here, maybe on a sunny day, because even with the sun shining, there's so much canopy that it probably isn't really extremely hot. And also maybe in the spring would be better before all the leaves come out. Might be able to see more. And of course the winter would probably be really nice. Just nice and fresh in the winter time. So I will give a follow-up when I return.